This week I thought I would do something a little bit different. I thought it would be fun to show you what I got at the grocery store, so this week we're doing a grocery haul. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Linda with bodiesafterbabies.com, and if you want to lose that mummy tummy, fit back into those jeans, and get your sexy back, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my next upcoming videos, because there's going to be a lot of them, and it's awesome to have you part of the Bodies After Babies community. Now let's get started. Okay, so here's what I got today from the grocery store. It's super awesome because it would have taken me all day. Because I eat gluten-free, I have to go to a few different stores, and my little one also eats gluten-free as well, so we have to go to a few. So what I did was at Superstore, I don't know what they call it in the States, there's some that they call, but at Superstore you can go and pick up, almost like every grocery store now, I guess, you can pick up your own groceries. You just order it online. So I ordered my bulk online and then went and picked it up. They did miss my eggs for some reason, but I'll run through and show you what I got. So make sure my hand doesn't cover. Just, some razors, I need some, although my husband is stealing them, so he wanted these ones. Hilarious. Just a pineapple, we're gonna do that on the grill this weekend, and bananas. We got strawberries. These strawberries are really, really good. I don't know what you guys pay for them in the States or other countries, but this big thing was about $5. We have our guacamole. I do lots with the guacamole, whether it's just with crackers or I put it in a wrap, or I will have it, well, all kinds of things really. You could even stick it in your smoothies to make it creamier. There's our Udi's bagels. Now this is something that my son is like in love with, with peanut butter or whatever. It's nice once in a while. I don't eat a whole lot of bread, but if I do, it's this brand because it actually kind of, well, it tastes like normal bread. I don't know if some of you tried some gluten-free. It's awful. These are one of my favorites. I think I mentioned it in a video before, the corn crackers. And these we just got at the dollar store. It's I got, let me see, macadamia nuts and also walnuts. I put that in my cottage cheese as a snack, or I'll just snack on them sometimes. One thing you got to be careful of when you do eat nuts is not to overdo it, because people are like, well, it's healthy, and then they eat too much and then they end up gaining weight, and that's not good. Just popcorn, we air pop our popcorn. This is actually the best brand. It's a no-name brand, but it actually pops the popcorns rather than leaving the kernels all at the bottom. It drives me crazy. And then there's the same brand again. We use pizza crust. My son loves it. I just put little pizza sauce, which you can see the pizza sauce right over here. And then we just smack it on with some cheese, and he loves it. He doesn't like a whole lot else. He's super, super picky. And then back here, banana bread. This is gluten-free. He really likes this as muffins, but I am going to be making some banana bread tonight, gluten-free banana bread. There's a really great chocolate orange recipe. There's Jada checking out what I have on my recipe. Get down, get down, get down. Jada, get down. Jada, get down. She wants to see my groceries apparently. And then oats, my hubby just eats the quick oats. He actually blends them in his smoothies, but I will make protein pancakes out of them, and then occasionally I have oatmeal, not a whole lot. I've eaten too much back in my fitness competition days. And just gluten-free fettuccine and gluten-free penne. What else we got? Oh, this is my husband wants it. I can't eat it because it's not gluten-free. They're potato crackers? Yeah, sweet potato crackers. Oh my goodness, I need to be taller. And then over there, just bubble bath for my little one. And then I got, oh, it's getting dark there. And then I got some, what's the word, conditioner. And then peanut butter for my little one. And then mild salsa, and this is what I get for spaghetti sauce. And then just something to keep it different, we got some pesto sauce. That's sometimes nice, just to do something different. And then these pickles we just got at the dollar store. They're really good, and they're from BC, British Columbia, so they're really good. And this is just canned pumpkin. Now with canned pumpkin, I don't know if you've ever tried it, but you gotta try it in pasta as a sauce. It's really, really good. It makes it creamy, and kids don't know it's vegetables, so it's awesome. And then some brown rice cakes I got actually at the dollar store, and the ingredients are really good. There wasn't anything disgusting in it. It's just, let's see if I can focus. Where is it? Yeah, it doesn't want to focus on me. So just brown whole grain rice and chia, quinoa, sea salt, and black imperial rice, whatever that is. Interesting, I'm gonna try it. And these, you guys, are really good. Sorry about the lighting. They're peanut butter and jam protein packed snacks, and they're really great. I'll only pop like one, maximum two if I need something in the afternoon. They fill you up, they're really good. They just have peanuts and cranberries in it. It's like, you know, basically eating like a little peanut butter and jam bite. Really like them. Got some egg whites for me because when I eat eggs, I like to top up with egg whites so there's not too much fat in my scrambled eggs or you know, any other eggs that I'll have. And then taco shells, my hubby likes the hard ones. I get the soft corn tortillas. And then we like to have chips and salsa sometimes, so we got some salsa chip or some chips. And then I really need to be taller, don't I? Okay. And then we have my lactose-free cottage cheese, really enjoying. I just made one, well, I did a video with that in it with my snacks, but I just made a video, or I just made a cottage cheese recipe that was like a Greek. So it had olives in it along with tomatoes and oregano and stuff. It was so good. And then this Greek plain yogurt, you've got to make sure to get plain, because what we do is we swap out that for what's the word, honey? We swap it out for sour cream. So instead of eating sour cream, we eat Greek yogurt, and it's really good. You can't even really tell. And so I highly recommend that. Just do that swap and you won't even notice. And then my son just has some yogurts, drinkable yogurt. He's super picky. He won't have anything else. And we need him to eat and grow, so we do what we can, whenever we can. And then just cheese for him. Now, for some reason, we got a heck of a lot of meat this week, and we usually don't buy this much meat. We got chicken thighs and Angus stewing beef. We're gonna try that as kebabs, I don't know. And then we got some sweet basil and Italian sausages. And then in the back there's ground beef, lean ground beef. And then, let me see if I can move here. Whew. This is my weakness and my son's weakness. They are, well, it's backwards, but I can't reach. They're chicken strips. They're actually gluten-free and they're yummy, even though they're not super duper great, but you know, moderation. And I'm gonna try this aloe drink. I typically always get coconut water. If you are ever feeling kind of crappy, highly recommend go get coconut water. It acts like an electrolyte drink and it's really good. You'll start to feel better. So I typically buy that, and then when I'm feeling run down or not so good, I will drink it. Okay, let's see what else here. Go over here, hopefully get some light. All right, now those of you who know me, you know that I really love sparkling water. This is a different brand. This is from Superstore. Usually I buy Perrier, but they had mandarin orange and they had watermelon. Now the trick is, for if you want to get sparkling water, don't get ones that have sugar in it, because some of them are tricky. They're sneaky. They'll actually have sugar, but this literally has carbonated water and natural flavor. So that's what you want to look out for. This is really, really good if you have a little bit before you have your meal, and it'll fill you up. And also if you are having issues going to the bathroom for constipation, this will really help. And just as a drink, so you're, you know, to an alternative to pop or soda, as you say in the States. And then my son's full fat milk, we're trying to fatten him up. He's super short. He's not even on the chart, so we're trying to get him filled up, and hopefully he'll grow. He has some sleep problems too, so we're battling with that. And but we do want to get him to gain some weight because he's just little. And then his fruit juice, we do that. I dilute it with water. And then we have 2 spring mixes. I didn't think I bought 2 spring mixes. I wanted arugula and I wanted field greens, but we have 2, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna work with. And then a roasted chicken, and that's great. Usually we do that on the same day we go grocery shopping. It's quick, then we just rip some off, whether we just have it as a, eat it right standing at the counter, or we'll chuck it into a wrap or, that kind of thing. So super simple. And my son loves it. This is the weird thing too for him. He'll eat the chicken leg, but he won't eat it like if it's the next day. It has to be fresh. I don't know, I swear he was royalty before. He's so picky. I don't know, do you guys have picky kids? Let me know. And then I got some bok choy. They gave me 2. Pretty sure I only ordered 1. So that's okay, we're gonna get our veggies in, and then some peppers, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna make some kebabs, so that's what we're doing with some of the meat. There's just a lot of meat. We don't normally buy that much, but that. And then my alfalfa, because that's my favorite ever. And we got corn. This corn seriously was like $5, and I ordered ones were like 67 cents or 47 cents each or something. They didn't have any, but whatever, it's corn. We don't eat a lot of corn, but summertime we do. I don't usually buy it all year. And you guys, I order organic celery because that is the cleaner celery. Like you shouldn't get normal celery, but they substituted with this only because of all the chemicals and sprays and that kind of thing. But can you believe this celery? It's not that big, right? It cost me like $6.50 ever since the craze of a guy called Medical Medium, his books. Yeah, people have been celery juicing, and then now it's like $7. I used to buy this last year maybe $3. So that's brutal. And green onion, and then my cucumbers. I'll have that just as a snack. I'll just munch on them, or make water with it. I can give you some recipes. And then a purple onion and some tomatoes and some lemons. This is really, really good in the morning. You just pop it in some water. I'll give you some other recipes too if you like, for some detox water recipes. And then I have my cilantro, which I love. I will be planting, I don't even know if you call it planting, but an arrow garden I used last year, and it's awesome. I put cilantro, basil, dill. This year I could probably do lettuce and cherry tomatoes, so it's great, and you do it indoors. It's wonderful. And then finally I have ginger, and that's really, really good for digestion. I do have some digestion issues that I am battling, but ginger is really good. Apparently they thought I was had a lot of digestion issues because I just wanted a little bit. I didn't need all that. And that is it. And so this week we are going to be doing a lot of, outdoor barbecuing. Oh, did I do my black bean hummus? Yeah, my black bean hummus. We just tried this. Hubby super loves it. It's okay. It's a little spicy, but I mean, not really that spicy, but we have that with crackers or veggies, and the black bean's pretty good. It's different. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to do a lot of outdoor grilling, and we're going to be doing, and we're going to be doing, the pineapple on the grill, which is really good. I have a recipe on that you guys got to check out. Forgot this was set aside because it was frozen. Almost forgot. These are my Canadian wild blueberries, which is so, so good. You can put these in at nighttime if you're just sitting watching TV and you're craving something. Then what I do is I will just get frozen berries and put it in a little bowl, or I'll dust some cocoa powder on top, and that is a lifesaver because it gives you kind of that sweetness, and they're frozen, and then you can always put the chocolate the chocolate cocoa on top. And one more, because I think I did forget this, and these are my sweet potatoes. These are really great in the oven, but you can put cinnamon on it, which works really well with it, and you can even brush maple syrup with the pure maple syrup. And I do that with my pineapple. You don't douse them, just brush, and they taste excellent. And that's it. That's my groceries. Now in total, this was about $350 $300, maybe just over $300. I'd have to check. But it'll last us about 2 weeks. We have to feed, obviously I have 2 kids. One's 16 years old, so he's a hungry bear. And then my little one, and then my hubby and me. But we also do shakes. I don't have that here because that's coming on Friday. And that's it. I hope you really like this grocery haul video. I absolutely had so much fun doing it. I didn't think I would love doing it as much as I did, but it's fun to show you what I got at the grocery store. And when I think about it, I actually like watching grocery haul videos as well. So I don't know what it is. Comment below, let me know if you really want me to do another video like this. And like I said, I had such a great time doing it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.